First of all, ano po ang expectation natin sa SONA po ngayon ni Pangulo?
Ay, actually, hindi ko masyadong alam kasi hindi ko naman nakita yung script. But I expect it's like, let's get back to work. Let's get this economy back. For the Department of Energy, I think we need to fix so many things to fix. Marami tayong kailangan ayusin ng mga power plants, transmission, pati yung presyo, no? Which is a very big issue right now. So kailangan talaga we have to get back to work or like work even more. Kaya I expect the president will give us some instructions, not just on like the stockpiling, fixing Visayas, but also about how do we help the people in surviving the oil crisis? Kasi the oil crisis seems to be coming back again, ano? Bumaba na tayo ngayon, magdadalawang linggo na we have an oil price increase. So it's things that are more urgent, I think, rather than any other politics, no? Marami pong kailangan pang gawin dito sa bansa natin.
Okay.
With
Alright.
that, ma'am, maraming